So here's one option for an effective door sign. You could also look at it as a wayfinding sign or a directional sign. You have your logo in a vinyl film, so it is two-dimensional and it's mounted onto a 1/4-inch acrylic with decorative stainless steel spacers on the back and then caps on the front. So basically how these mounts work is you just have one screw that goes through the spacer, and then you just have to add the cap. So the screw goes into this spacer. You can see the hole through there. Into the wall you'd have a plastic anchor, and the screw goes through the spacer into the plastic anchor into the wall, and then once all of those spacers are mounted to the wall, you just have to use this to secure the actual sign itself onto the wall. And these are solid stainless steel, so they're very classy, very elegant, and they're very presentable. So here's an example. Vinyl film on white acrylic. It's laser cut, so all the edges have a flame polished look to them, very classy, very refined, very high-end, nice, effective solution. You can also have something in the same style. In this case, this is more of a directional sign, just showing you, let's say if you have to make a turn at the end of a hallway, so you can have something nice like this, where it actually leads customers and visitors to your space. And in this case, it's a little bit simpler, even a little bit more cost effective. You have a double-sided tape on the back. You can complement that by adding some silicone in between for added support, but you don't have to. The tape is usually more than adequate, but just to be safe, you just mount that onto the wall. Very nice, classy, again with the laser cut acrylic and vinyl film two-dimensional graphics on the front. It's a very effective solution. The last part of this set is a slider for an office door. So in this case, you can tell, let's say you're not present at the office every day, you can have a slider where you can switch it from "we are closed" to "we are open." If you ever decide to change the name of the office, or if, for example, it's a particular employee's office, you can always slide these out and change them very easily with the mounting hardware still in place on the wall. So those are some ideas for effective directional signage, door signs, and wayfinding solutions. Hope you found those useful. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.